don't know if you'll be watching this or not, Rick Fix, but don't worry about what your truck looks like if it's a work truck. Look what I drive for a work truck. She's rough, but I've had it I bought it new in '96, and it's been used and abused and still runs really good. It's got somewhere around 400,000 some miles on it, so they don't have to look pretty to be a work truck. Okay, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this down here, but here's my mortar mixer I have. It's got a 8-horse Honda motor. Seems to have plenty of power for what it is. It's got the little bit bigger tires. I believe it's a 9 cubic foot one. It's the medium size, but it's had about one season. It's had about one season of use on it, and now it just sits here for right now because I hadn't even had time to do much with it. So, but just another one of my toys.